Free back with another video, and do you guys remember my old fidget spinner? Well, it broke. It still works though. It's not fast. Go look, guys. Remember when they used to go more fast? There and back. Yes. Look closely. See that? So like, it broke. I don't even know how. How this thing broke. So anyway, guys. So look, I lost a piece already. I had it for lots of months. And look at my new fidget spinner. I bought it in my local supermarket. So I said, why not do an unboxing for YouTube? So yeah guys, so I'm gonna be unboxing this fidget spinner. Comment down below which fidget spinner you guys think it's more better. The red one or this one? Comment down below and please subscribe. Oh, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. In the next video I'll be doing a giveaway. I'm gonna be giving away this one because like I went to my local supermarket and they have 5 of them. So I bought 4, which I'm not gonna show. So yeah, let me unbox. Dude, what the heck? Let me do a test spin. Actually, it goes more faster, guys. And it was still in. Look. This fidget spinner is cool. I'm gonna inside like the darkest closet we have. Show you if it's got like on this. Do that much. Guys, look at this. I have to turn this one on. Come on. Wasn't it turning it on? Oh, there we go. Look. Let me show you guys. Let me spin it. It looks so cool. Oh, dang it. This one. I don't even know. There we go. Isn't that cool, guys? Oh, it's like super cool. Oh. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. I'm gonna be giving away one of these. You guys subscribe, share the video. On Facebook, Twitter, anywhere, and those people will give a fidget spinner for free. Those they can say I subscribed and I liked, said I shared, did everything. Then I'll be giving away to that person the fidget spinner. And I have a gold one, which Kevin is using. He's downstairs. Let him use it. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. This fidget spinner is the coolest one I've had. Well, it's not the coolest one for you guys, but this is the cool one. This is the coolest one that I've had. So subscribe, like, and remember, I'll be doing a giveaway in the next video. So